Tired of endlessly dragging through a super long Google Doc? There's a handy trick called collapsible headings that can really clean things up. Let me show you how to set it up. Let's add some text, say heading 1, heading 2. First thing you need to do is switch your document to Pageless format. This feature just doesn't work in the regular page layout. So, go up to File, then Page Setup, and choose Pageless. Click OK, and you're set. Easy enough. Next up, let's add those headings. Just select the text you want to be a collapsible section. In my case, heading 1 text. Over in the toolbar, change its style to heading 1. Then put whatever content belongs under that heading right below it, making sure that the content uses the normal text style. Now select heading 2 text and change its style to heading 2. Add some normal text under it. Similarly for heading 3 text. Select and change the style to heading 3. Now for the fun part, actually collapsing it. Hover your mouse over the headings you just made. You should see a little arrow pop up on the left side. Click that arrow and poof, the stuff underneath folds right up, hiding it away. Click the arrow again, and it all comes back, like magic. A couple of quick things to know. Anyone viewing the doc can collapse or expand the headings to see what they want. But only editors can decide if sections start off collapsed or expanded by default. You can nest headings too, like putting a heading 2 under a collapsible heading 1. Just keep in mind that whenever anyone opens the doc fresh, everything starts out expanded. If you don't see that little arrow when you hover, double-check 2 things. Your doc absolutely has to be in pageless mode, and the text you're trying to collapse must be styled as an actual heading, 1, 2, or 3, not just bold or big normal text. So that's it. Collapsible headings are a super simple way to make navigating a big doc way easier. If this tip helped you out, giving the video a like or subscribing to my channel really means a lot. Drop a comment saying like too, so I can find you and say thanks personally for the support. Thanks for watching. Take care.